In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track invoice activity and payment history in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see what's happened to an invoice, who did it, and when, all in one convenient place. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, head to the Sales area. This is where Xero groups everything related to your sales workflow, and it's the quickest path to your list of invoices. Inside Sales, choose Invoices. You'll see a list of all your invoices, including their statuses and amounts. Find the specific invoice you want to review and open it to view its details. On the Invoice page, scroll down until you reach the History and Notes section. This section is designed to give you a chronological record of everything that's happened to the invoice since it was created. If the panel looks condensed or only shows a few items, expand the Invoice History panel so you can see the full timeline. Look for an arrow, toggle, or Show More option to reveal additional entries. Now, take a moment to review the invoice activity and updates. You'll see entries that document each change and action. This commonly includes when the invoice was created, when it was sent, and when any edits were made. You'll also see payment-related updates, such as when a payment was recorded and how much was applied. Each entry will show a timestamp, and in many cases, the user who performed the action, which is helpful for accountability and audit purposes. Pay special attention to sent, edited, and payment actions. Sent entries confirm the invoice was issued to your customer, which helps resolve questions about delivery. Edited entries show what changed and when, so you can trace adjustments to dates, amounts, or line items. Payment actions display partial or full payments as they're applied, giving you a clear view of how the balance has moved over time. If a payment was removed or corrected, you'll also see that noted here, preserving a reliable trail of activity. Use this section to monitor invoice changes and payment history as your single source of truth. It's especially useful when following up with customers, reconciling accounts, or preparing for reviews, because you can quickly verify the sequence of events without searching across different screens. That's it. By using the History and Notes section, you can track invoice activity, payment updates, and the entire invoice history in Xero from one place, clearly and confidently.